What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're here with Unice once again. The same packaging as usual. Once I get inside the box, I see the wig, which we're gonna get into obviously. But for goodies today, we got a branded elastic headband. I got a edge brush and comb with an extra head and a pair of HD wig caps. That's everything for goodies. This is the gorgeous wig that we're working with today. So this is it's a 7x5 closure, and it is pre-cut lace, human hair, of course, pre-bleached, all that good stuff. And it has drawstring in the back with the 2 knobs. All right, it has adjustable straps in the back, a comb in the back for security, and it's really nicely constructed. I personally love this type of construction because it ensures that the wig is very secure on your head and it's very beginner friendly. I did get a extra adjustable elastic band to attach inside of the cap, so that's what I went ahead and did. And oh, it's such a beautiful color, like gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So stunning. The hair is also really nice and silky, even though it's pre-cut. You know, I'm just cutting off, minimizing the cast by any means necessary. So just that bit in the front that has absolutely no hair, I go in and I cut that away. It's not a lot, so take your time to do it. Ensure that you don't cut off any of the hair. And then I go in with some face powder to further camouflage that, because after all, this is Bye Bye Knots, right? So it does look really nice and realistic and glueless. So I mean, that's always a plus. Any beginner can go ahead and attempt to do this, even if you can't be bothered to, you know, deal with the excessive wig installation. These type of wigs are perfect for you because it's glueless. It's just little finessing that is needed. You know, Unice already does most of the work for you, so that is amazing. By the way, this is 24 inches long, did I tell you guys? And the density, all that good stuff will be listed down below, so please go ahead and check down below for that. Before I moved on to anything else with the wig, I did adjust the drawstring in the back, and I adjusted both knobs, the first one and then the second one, to lock it in as you're seeing. All right, so you just want to make sure that you do that. Adjust it to have however tight or loose you want it to be, by the way. And then I just tuck away the string beneath the cap. Super easy, super easy. And then this step really ensures that the wig stays on your head. Trust me, no slipping, no sliding. I give you guys a shake test just so that you can see, like, it is amazing. I go in with my PS Lux wax stick in a few after I show you guys how much parting space there is in the closure, so you can switch up the parting if you want. If you decide that you want to do a different bang vibe, you can switch the parting, you know, and style it differently. So yeah, after that I pretty much just get the top really nice and flat after applying my PS Lux lace wax, and just really lay the top nice and flat. You guys know I cannot proceed with installing a wig without doing this. Like, the more realistic the better, like, you know. Yeah, so as you guys saw as well, this wig did come pre-curled and all that stuff. It came with the roller in the front and everything, so it's like everything is pre-done for you. As I said, I think that's amazing.
You do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do. Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
It definitely is processed, as you can see, so there was a little bit of shedding, so that is something to note. All right, so I'm just, you know, still laying the hair, and then after that we'll kind of just finesse. I was just playing around with it and finessing the curls and everything. So these are the curls that came initially in the box and everything. I didn't go in and recurl anything as yet, so you see that you could actually just go ahead and wear it as is if you wish. Okay, so I was just playing around with it. The hair is so gorgeous, man. If you want to do some color but you don't want it too bold, this color is gorgeous. And you know, we're doing all of this while the wig is still glueless. Gorgeous, right? Absolutely stunning. So yeah, this is how it looks. The curls did fall some, So you would want to, if you want to wear it with the curls that it comes with, I would suggest you apply hairspray right away after pulling it out if you want those curls to last. But I did go in with my curling iron to just refresh those curls and have them popping a little bit more after they fell. So that's what I'm just gonna do that right throughout the wig.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
This is how it looks after I refresh those waves. Oh my gosh, gorgeous, right? Big, nice, sexy body waves, just stunning. And then of course, you guys know I'm gonna give you a few styling options, so you could go ahead and do a number of looks. I did like 2 ponytails, all right, and they looked amazing. So easy, not much to it, just gorgeous.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
And then for my final look, I did a updo, a complete updo. Well, almost 3/4. So I did get my claw clip and I pretty much just put it up. It's not the first time you guys see me do this. This is actually a vibe. This is actually a vibe. It's really cute, very to the point, easy. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. So yeah, that's pretty much it though for my next look. I hope you guys found this video informative today. If you like the wig, if you want to get the wig, don't forget to go ahead and check out my description box. The direct link is down below. Shout out to Unice once more for today's gorgeous wig look. All specifications and all the necessary information is listed. Any discount code I may have, it's down below, so check that out. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and like, share this video and subscribe. Okay, highly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.